Previously, we decided we were going to make an I-beam for the arm.
I've got my two pieces cut. They're strong, going this direction, but check this out. You guys can see how wiggly they are. They wiggle a lot. And also, if you sight down them, you'll notice these pieces are not very straight. So we're going to add the middle part now to our I-beam to make them super straight.
I'm cutting the center of the I-beam here on the table saw. You can see it ended up being pretty straight.
In the virtual Trebuchet program, we said that our arm was going to be around 10, 11 pounds, I think. So I've got a shipping scale here. Let's put this on and let's see how heavy our arm's really going to be. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see this. This shows our arm being 17 pounds. Seems a little heavy to me. We're going to need to make it lighter, I think.
To reduce the weight, I cut some of the width off on the table saw.
I ripped our side pieces of plywood down. I took an extra 1.25 inches off them. So let's weigh them now and see. They're still going to be heavy, but I think we're going to be a little bit closer. All right, we're at 13 pounds. So we're a couple pounds over, but this thing's still pretty light. I know it's going to be substantially lighter than if we used a big piece of timber, and I think it's going to be strong. So let's go with this, I think. I think it's what we got to do. I don't want to make it too skinny or too small. I'm afraid it's going to snap. There's going to be a lot of weight on the end of this thing. So let's do this and see what happens. Here we go.
First, I used yellow carpenter's glue to glue the center of the I-beam together. I tacked it in place with a nail gun, and then I took a drill and I put screws along the side of it just to keep it together while the glue was drying. After doing this, I added some blocks to our arm. It's important that we have blocks in the arm where we're going to put a hole in the center on our pivot point, and also where we're going to hang our bucket.
We have built the arm! What do you guys think? Pretty sweet, huh? 13 pounds of glory right here. We got our I-beam arm. Does this baby wobble or shake at all? I don't think so. Does it seem strong? Oh yeah. Listen to that. Oh, music to my ears. All right, it's time to drill a couple holes. We need to drill a hole right here for our pivot point. We need to drill a hole right here where our bucket goes. We could take a cordless drill and try to drill in here with the cordless drill. Do you think our hole is going to go perfectly perpendicular to the face of the wood? Will our hole be straight if we use a cordless drill? And the answer is absolutely not. So what tool do we need to use? Back to the drill press.
You'll notice I've clamped the arm down to the drill press. It's so big, it would be really difficult to hold it in place and drill it at the same time.
Okay, I'm bummed right now. I'm drilling my hole in here. I was super careful not to set any screws where our hole is going to go, but I hit one of the nails that I set in here with the nail gun. So now I got to figure out a way to get that nail out. Okay, I was wrong. Actually, it was a screw. I hit one of the screws. So this just goes to show it's really important when you lay out where you're going to drill a hole that you don't drill into a nail or a screw like Senor Knucklehead just did. All right.
I drilled two different size holes, a 1/2 inch hole for where the bucket will go, and an 1.25 inch hole for where a pipe will go. Once the hole was drilled, I put the pipe of our pipe clamp through the 1.25 inch hole and checked to make sure that it spun freely. Success.
All right, my friends, we are successful in installing our arm. Tomorrow we'll work on the bucket. I'll see you then.